This is my office. This desk is where I sit almost every day, either studying or working, having Teams calls with my team. And this is also where I like to wind down every once in a while, playing some games. My setup has more or less looked like this for the past year. Very happy with it, but I figured since I spend so much time sitting here every day, I would like to update it and make it a little more nice. So join me for this setup overhaul, and hopefully it turns out great. The next morning we woke up to this. Our attempt at keeping it render friendly, utilizing some old carpet tape we had in the cupboard, really didn't hold up, so we had to figure out something else. So this is the final result. I think it turned out great. I think it added a lot to the whole feel of the room. The outlet turned out pretty bad. It was actually my first time using an oscillating tool, so it was a bit rough, but we quickly patched that with a small 3D print. Wow. This is only the first step of overhauling my office setup here. I have some more plans. I have a box full of stuff for my keyboard, which I'm making a video about next. So hopefully you'll come and watch that. I also have some plans for some more on this wall to sort of complete the look. But thank you for watching this video, and hopefully you'll tune in for the next ones.